GoHighLevel just added an AI website builder called AI Studio, and it's completely free. You can describe your business and page you want, and it will build your copy, images, layout, and it will design the whole page in minutes. Then you simply tweaks the page with visual edit, match your brand, or put your real offer and hit publish. What used to take hours now it's take minutes, and you don't need any design skills. But here where it gets better, since it's already in GoHighLevel, you can activate the voice AI bot, conversation AI agent, and so visitor can qualify 24/7. AI bot can answer their FAQs and trigger follow-up workflows without lifting any finger. In AI Studio, you can ask AI to do your SEO. So instead of just building a website, you will create a full AI powered system. GoHighLevel just dropped an AI website builder called AI Studio. You literally type what you want and it's build the page. And right now it's free to use. That free window won't last. So today I'm showing you exactly how to use it before that changes. Let's build a page live. So if you're new here, I teach AI plus GoHighLevel every week, so you can subscribe me. So what is AI Studio? It's an AI that turn a plain English description into a real editable website page. Instead of dragging boxes around for an hour, you describe the business and the page you want, and it does the heavy lifting. So we can just type the prompt here, and here the magic. I describe the business, what it does, the vibe I want, the sections I need, and let it generate. Look at that headline, the sections and the images. So done in seconds. That's your starting point, not your final answer. Now I make it mine, and we can like tweak this. We can click on visual edits, and you can see if I want to change anything in this headline, I can just click here, and I can just type your family brightest smile starts here, and so book your appointment. So like, let's say if I want to change anything visually, I can just click and change. So we can change the offers, and so we can like put a drop, we can drop the real offer here and match the brand. And so AI basically get us 90%, so we just need to put 10% effort to make it 100% real. Then we can also publish this. So we can just publish it here. We can upload the logo, icon, favicons, social image, and we can like apply changes, and we can just publish this. And once it's published, we can also click on publish and add a custom domain. Let's say if I want to make it like heathersafdar.com, and I will say like vibe.heathersafdar.com, and if I click continue, it will directly take me to my domain provider, and I can just allow in few seconds the domain will be live. So you can also try this while it's free, and I will add the link in the so you can see we can authorize domain, and okay, it's in Cloudflare, so it's asking me to authorize the domain. I can click on authorize domain. It will take me to that Cloudflare, and I can simply log in, and I can simply authorize. It will be a one click step. So we can do that, or we can manually add this. We can add a record, CNAME, host, and value, and we can click on verify after we added that. Okay, so now let's say if we want to activate the automations on this landing page. By the way, we can embed the calendar here. For now, what I will show you, like, let's say can you please add a form on this page. By the way, this is a one page website kind of website, so one page. So if we want more pages, we can also specify that more pages line uh, in our first prompt. It will create that pages. Like if we want 8 pages, and we can mention that name, and it will create that 8 pages. And let's say if we want only one page site, like I already defined a simple prompt, because in and now one page websites are trending, so that's why it's built a one page site. So it's just a, like kind of a booking site, so someone comes in and they can just book the appointment. So I need a form. So I just mentioned here, like, can you please add a form? So we just need to type the prompt in simple English, and it will just it will happen here. Now you can see like our form is ready, and you can see here contact and external form submission will be created. And if we if we want to connect this form to automation, we can just click on connect. If we also want like some extra section in this one page site, we can just simply mention, we can simply just type in, or we can select these suggestions, like add a before and after gallery section for cosmetic dentistry, include an interactive FAQ section for common patient questions. So we can like click on these suggestions, and it will happen, and the changes will be made on this page. And so it's basically connecting our form like that, this form, to the CRM, the backend of GoHighLevel here. And once it's connected, like we can go in automations. Meanwhile, like it's trying to connect, we can just go in automations. And I will prefer to create from scratch. So you can see here connected form tracking. So basically the form is connected to this location ID where we are right now. So we can just add a new trigger. I can just type external tracking event. So our form is added. Event is any of like form submitted. If someone submit the form, which form, so we will select that external form, the form name. The form sometimes like it take some time to submit, to show up the form name here. So what we will do here, form is not, external form is not empty. For now I will just do that. AI Studio, I will just type like AI Studio automation, and we can just save it. And let's try again if it's allow me to select the form name. No, it's not. So I will just prefer this is not empty. I will publish it, and I will add internal notifications. Let's say send an email to all users. So I will just type account name, account email, and I will just type ABC for now, and I will just save it. So it will basically send the internal notification to everyone, to all users. So let's go back, and let's try publish. And okay, let's try the published version here. So book your appointment. So we can embed the calendar, by the way, I will show you that also. And okay, so our form, so let's update this because we have added the form and it was not live yet. So I just like click on update, and now it's updated. And if I refresh this page now, we will be able to see the form here now. Okay, let's refresh again. Let's close it. and let's open again. So now you can see we have form. I will just type my name, ABC, send message. So you can see the message is submitted. If you go back to automations, and we can see the external tracking is happened. And by the way, we can further see, okay, it's my name and email. And now, because we did not update that page, that's why a form was not showing up. So now it's updated, and now we can like see the form also. So that was the issue. So this is how, by the way, we can troubleshoot this kind of things. And so now we can like add the further action, like create opportunity or anything. Like we can create a pipeline and we can add that, and we can like for this specific AI, for this specific lead, uh, like for this specific page lead, we can activate any automation that we want for GoHighLevel. Even we can activate the conversation AI bot or voice AI bot. We will directly call them, and we will see, hey, we saw you have some query for our on our booking appointment page, and how we can help. So we can also do that. And so now I can also show you like how to put a calendar here. So like we can, because this is our AI studio page, how we can embed a calendar here. So what I will do, I will just go in calendars and create calendar personal booking, and I can just type Heather appointment calendar confirm. So now we have the embed code. I will just copy this embed code. I will go back here. I will paste that embed code. Can you add this calendar on the page? So what it will do is it will basically use that embed code thing and just put that here. So our calendar will be visible here. So you can see our calendar is added here. So these are the all things that we can do with the AI studio, and we can even like uh, so it's ready now. So if I just I need to update this if I want to see the calendar on this page. We basically have to update that. And so now you can see, I can see the calendar on the live page. So if I go back, and let's say if I we can basically update the favicon and these things here. We can also type the real website name, like Pride Smile or whatever we are using. And so this is also the main thing, because once we added our domain, we can like enable the advanced SEO support here. And let me do that. So I can just simply show you like how to do that. Let me connect the domain. So you can see this is how, like, I can just click on authorize in Cloudflare, and it will be automatically verify here. So once it's verified, so you can see it's live now. So once our domain is connected, now we can go and enable advanced SEO report, and if we want to do anything like improve social preview content or generate a site map, we can just go back in our main prompt area. We can just to ask AI, I can just paste this. I want you to like, these are the prompts that are available there. If I click on settings, so these are the prompts that we can just copy. So I just use the improve social preview content, add proper meta tags for better social sharing previews. So I just copy this prompt and I just paste it here. So you can see it's doing the SEO, basic technical SEO that we normally use to do. Like it's take like hours basically. If we have 10 pages and we have to do the proper meta tags and these things. So AI is changing things and this is so exciting. And if you like this video, you can like subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you next week.